In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel auto-renewal for your NordVPN subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to confirm that future charges won't go through. First, head to the official NordVPN website and sign into your Nord account. Make sure you're on a secure, trusted connection, and only enter your credentials on the official site. If you use two-factor authentication, have your verification method ready. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your account dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand menu and choose Billing. This is where NordVPN keeps all your payment and plan details. Inside Billing, select the Subscriptions tab. You'll see your active plan listed here, along with the current status of auto-renewal and your next renewal date if it's enabled. If you have more than one plan or bundle, double-check you're viewing the correct active subscription before moving forward. Next, find the active subscription and look for a link or button labeled Manage or Cancel next to the auto-renewal status. The wording can vary slightly depending on your plan or interface updates, but it will be right next to the status indicator. Click that option to open the management screen. On the management screen, choose Cancel Auto Renewal. This confirms that you do not want the subscription to renew at the end of the current billing period. Keep in mind, you're not immediately ending your service. You're simply stopping the next automatic charge. Your access remains active until the date shown in your account, so you can continue using the service until the current term expires. After confirming, wait for the success message or on-screen confirmation. It's a good idea to refresh the Subscriptions tab and verify that the auto-renewal status now shows as canceled or off. You may also receive a confirmation email. Keep that for your records. If you don't see a confirmation, refresh again and check the status, or sign out and back in to make sure the change was saved. A few quick notes to avoid surprises. Canceling auto-renewal typically does not generate a refund for the current period. You're just preventing the next charge. If you subscribed through a mobile app store or a third-party platform, the cancellation may need to be done there instead of on the Nord account page. And if you ever change your mind, you can usually re-enable a plan later by returning to billing and selecting a new subscription. That's it. You've successfully turned off auto-renewal and taken control of your upcoming charges.